Leading-edge technology and precision manufacturing have defined Keystone's performance as a world-class manufacturer of precision electronic interconnect components and hardware since 1950. Keystone's products are engineered specifically for use by OEM designers and engineers who create and develop state-of-the-art electronic products, instruments, and systems for all industries. Keystone is RoHS and REACH compliant and ISO 9001:2015 certified. Our facilities are completely integrated with 3D CAD and CAM and equipped with a full complement of state-of-the-art equipment. It is that diverse manufacturing base of equipment and 75 years of market leadership which allows us to support the thousands of standard products you will find in our latest product design guide and Keystone's dynamic catalog online. Our custom manufacturing division provides close tolerance stamping, machining, assembly, CNC, and molding services as part of their quality control and responsive customer service, allowing us to meet standard and non-standard designs for customer-specific requirements, right down to the last detail. Keystone is fully integrated to meet your total design and production needs. We manufacture precision stampings, competitively priced, in metallic or non-metallic materials for all industries, in short and long runs. Our skilled tool and die makers are specialists in progressive dies, force slides, wire forming, in-die tapping, and high-speed blanking, supported by an experienced production staff using up-to-date, high-speed, power equipment, up to 45 tons. Secondary operations include tapping and assembly. Finishing services are available. For screw machine products, Keystone's automatic machinery and support equipment produce competitively priced precision turnings from 0.020 inch to 1 inch diameters in metallic or non-metallic materials. We specialize in both short and long runs for all industries. Our secondary department is staffed by technically skilled and experienced personnel dedicated to meet your quality and delivery requirements. Finishing services are available. Keystone has cost-effective assembly procedures which emphasize our commitment to excellence in product quality and service. Whether it's eyelet machines, riveting, staking, swaging, inserting, crimping, screw insertion, or tape and reeling. Our experienced production staff coordinates automatic and semi-automatic operations to assemble metallic or non-metallic components into finished products. Marking and finishing services are available. We leverage CAD and CAM software and advanced wire EDM, CNC, and hole popper equipment in our fully integrated tool room for crafting precision tools and dies. Our tool room assists in manufacturing standard and custom parts, utilizing skilled tool makers and advanced equipment. Keystone Electronics is dedicated to continuously improve its products to better satisfy the needs of its customers and to deliver quality products every time and on time. Our quality assurance facilities test and approve all products we ship using state-of-the-art equipment, including XRF testing device, hardness testers, microscopes, solder pots, and more. While our dynamic catalog of products meet most standard requirements, modifications as well as custom fabrications can be manufactured to meet customer-specific needs. Contact us today so that our design engineers and our skilled tool and die makers can meet your specifications right down to the last detail.